Hey, I just wanted to show you what we're doing with the Message Center and Service Health. So essentially, we're taking all the Message Center items and filtering them, sorting them, summarizing them. So we do a 5 bullet summary to help you understand them. We rate each one for admin impact and user impact. So admin is, do IT operations need to take an action? User is, do you need to do user comms? And then we push all the items into Microsoft Teams, into the respective channels. But also, if the message center message changes, we will update it. So if they change the content, if they change the dates, that'll all be posted. So Teams gives you a way to kind of keep an eye on what's going on. We also push the messages into a Power App on your tenant. So this all runs on your tenant. And because it's a Power App, we know who's signed it in, we can sort, we can filter, you can create custom views, you can assign items, you can do automations. So you can see this is assigned to page, get the full description here. We've got stages, we've got tags, and we can also use Power Automate to assign, do email chases, push these into ServiceNow or ITSM platform, whatever it may be. We can also assign sub actions per item. So the change team needs to do communications, or the InfoSec team needs to review this. So the whole idea is there's an entire system here where you can filter, review, assign, and because we're rating them for impact, we can say, well, only assign the high impact items, or assign these items to this person, these items to this person. See some notes here as well. And this is all backed by Dataverse on your tenant. So there's an audit trail of all the changes, and we can do Power BI reporting of the items, of their status. We can check they're all being cleared down, have the engineering team done theirs, have the SharePoint team done theirs. And then the last piece of the puzzle is we do a monthly call where we talk through all the changes, what the impact is, how to handle them, etc. So Rolf, who's another MVP MCM, talks through all the changes, and that's a live call where you can ask questions as well. So that's the idea. Pull all the messages out of your tenant or tenants. If you've got multiple tenants, we can dedupe them, bring them through. We process them in Azure, so we summarize them. We use Azure OpenAI. We then human review them, me and some other MVPs, and push them into your tenant, into the Power App for you to review them and process them. For Service Health, we just take the messages and push them through to your ITSM platform. So things like ServiceNow or Azure DevOps, or whatever you use. If that sounds interesting, it'd be great to have a chat and understand a bit more about what you guys are doing with Change, and if this might be a fit for you. If not, no worries, just let me know.